Hi friends, Simit here from InformedTrades.com. In this video, I want to talk about a concept that's pretty fundamental to active trading, and that's the demo account, what that is and why it's so important to trading. Let's get started. Okay, as for the key points in this video, we'll talk about what is a demo account, why use one, and the differences between a demo account and a live account. Okay, a demo account is basically a practice account. It is the same exact thing as a live account, same software, same prices that live customers see. We'll talk about a few differences shortly. And you have just the main thing or the main difference is that you have fake money instead of real money. So you have, you're given $50,000, $5,000, $10,000, pounds, euros, whatever you may select, depending on what the broker offers, what country you're in, and it's fake money. So the wins that you earn or place aren't actual real money, and the losses aren't real money either. But it's a great way to test out strategies, familiarize yourself with the platform. Okay, and as I noted, so the advantages of the practice account is you can test out strategies. That's probably something that experienced traders continue to use a demo account for that reason. If they have a new strategy they want to test out, rather than testing out with real money and experiencing potentially real losses, they can test it out with a demo account and see how the strategy is working under live conditions, because the prices, the rates you see in a demo account are identical to the rates that a live trader would see. So it's a great way of evaluating a strategy and approach. It's also another way, a key element of a demo account is to test out the software. Make sure that it's software that you know how to use, that you're familiar with, that you can use it matches your routine. If you're on a Windows or Apple or Linux, the software is compatible with that. If you need it to work on your mobile devices, it works there. And the software is intuitive and that you're comfortable using it. It's better to experience that learning curve on a demo account when you don't have real money on the live. By the time you get to a live account, you really want to know the software very well. You want to be comfortable using it so that you can focus 100% on trading and execution of your strategy. Another benefit is you can test out customer service. So, again, demo is a way to test it out without experiencing any risk or any loss. Once you're live and you find out the customer service isn't available during certain hours or isn't available in the manner that you like it or need it to be, or isn't up to your quality that you need it to be, then you're doing that with real money. It's better to learn that customer service is to your specifications or evaluate it and make sure you're comfortable with it on a demo account. So a demo account basically is not only a way to evaluate the software and test out your own trading strategies, but it's a way to test out the broker and sort of see if they're worthy of your trust and your money. Once you deposit, it's all real, so it's better to have a demo account and make sure, test it out in a risk-free way. Okay, and a third benefit of a demo account is it lets you sample the broker's add-ons. So lots of brokers now, especially to differentiate themselves and compete amongst each other, will offer a variety of tools, a variety of indicators. They'll offer education, news about what's going on in the market. So they're really trying to provide you with a whole, complete solution. And that gives you the education you need to trade and formulate strategies, the news as to what's going on in the markets, as well as various trading tools, charts and stuff like that, proprietary indicators and things like that. Personally, I think it's worth, checking that stuff out, especially in a demo account. That could impact your approach, impact your strategies and things like that. So as much learning as you can do with a demo account, I think it's advantageous. With a lot of the education, news, and tools, you should be asking yourself who benefits. If there's lots of brokers, or if the brokers encouraging strategies and news that really gets you to trade a lot, and focuses on trading certain instruments, that may be to the broker's advantage in terms of how they can maximize their revenue from you, their commission, their spread. So personally, I think you'll often benefit from finding a specialist, a firm that specializes in education and news or tools, rather than just going straight through your broker. Although I don't mean that to be a blanket statement. It's just meant to caution a little bit. Think about it a little bit. Of course, there are brokers out there that have news and education or tools, and if you like them, or if they can get you discounts on proprietary tools or other tools, that can definitely be worth considering and should be part of your demo evaluation experience. Okay, now the biggest difference between a demo and a live account is that the demo does not provide real psychological trading. So when you're on a demo, it's all play money. The losses aren't real. They're not going to affect your overall wealth. The wins aren't real and are not going to affect your overall wealth. So it's missing that real element of psychology, which is extremely vital. That's the nature of demos, and that's fine. It's just something that I think should be noted, because if you're making tons and tons of money on a demo account, that doesn't always translate to a live account, and the main reason for that is because the live account has a very different psychology. There's now real money on the line. So this market cycle you don't experience in a demo account, right? People tend to become euphoric at the time that there should be most concern, and tend to become the most depressed when the market is offering the most opportunities. You don't really experience that full psychology in a demo environment. And that's about it. This is a short introduction to demo accounts. Pretty fundamental part of trading. Many of you may already be familiar with it, but I do think it's important to understand how the demo fits into an overall trading plan as part of your education. Any questions you have, anything you want to add, join us at informedtrades.com. Thank you.